Namaskar. We know that automation is the technology by which a process or procedure is accomplished without human assistance. It is implemented using program of instructions combined with a control system that executes the instruction. To automate a process, power is required both to drive the process itself and to operate the program and control systems. So this automation is applied in wide variety of areas, but it is closely associated with the manufacturing industries. So in manufacturing industries, so automated production systems are classified into three basic types. So first is fixed automation, then programmable automation, and third is flexible automation. What is fixed automation? So it is the first type of automation. Here it is a system in which the sequence of processing or assembly operations is fixed by the equipment configuration. The operations in the system in the sequence are usually simple. So it is the integration and coordination of many such operations into one piece of equipment that makes the system complex. The typical features of fixed automations are high initial investment for custom engineered equipment, high production rates, relatively inflexible in accommodating product changes. So the economic justification for fixed automation is found in products with very high demand rate and volumes. So high initial cost of equipment can be spread over very large number of units, thus making the unit cost attractive compared to alternative methods of production. Second is programmable automation. So in programmable automation, the production equipment is designed with the capability to change the sequence of operations to accommodate different product configurations. The operation sequence is controlled by a program, which is a set of instructions coded so that the system can read and interpret them. New programs can be prepared and entered into the equipment to produce new products. Some of the features that characterize programmable automation includes are high investment in general purpose equipment, low production rate related to fixed automation, flexibility to deal with changes in product configuration. This programmable automation, this is suitable for batch type of production. So automated production systems that are programmable are used in low or medium volume production. The parts or products are typically made in batches. To produce each new batch of different products, the system must be reprogrammed with the set of machine instructions that correspond to the new product. The physical setup of machine must also be changed over. That is, a tool must be loaded, fixture must be attached to the machine table, and the required machine setting must be entered. So this changeover procedure takes time. The typical cycle for a given product includes period during which the setup or reprogramming takes place, followed by a period in which the batch is produced. And the last is fixed automation, flexible automation. So in flexible automation, flexible automation is an extension of programmable automation. The concept of flexible automation has developed only over the last 15 to 20 years, and the principles are still evolving. A flexible automated system is one that is capable of producing a variety of products or variety of parts with virtually no time lost for changeovers from one product to the next. So there is no production time lost while programming the system and altering the physical setup, that is for tooling, fixtures and machine settings, etc. The system can produce various combinations and schedules of products instead of requiring that they be made in separate batches. So the important features of flexible automations are high investment for custom engineered system, continuous production of variable mixture of products. The production rate is medium. This flexibility to deal with product design and variations. So the essential features, so it is a different from flexible automation, and there is a difference between flexible and programmable automation, that the capacity to change part program with no lost production time. The capability to change over the physical setup again with no loss of production time. So this is a difference between flexible automation and programmable automation. So these features allow the automated production system to continue production without the downtime between batches. That is a characteristic of programmable automation. So changing the part program is generally accomplished by preparing the program offline on a computer system and electronically transmitting the program to the automated production system. So therefore, the time required to do the programming for next job does not interrupt production on the current job. So changing the physical setup between parts is accomplished by making the changeover offline and then moving it into place simultaneously as the next part comes in position for processing. The use of pallet fixtures that hold the parts and transfer into the position at the workplace is one way of implementing this approach. For these approaches to be successful, the variety of parts that can be made on flexible automated production system and is usually more limited than a system controlled by programmable automation. So in figure you can see the relative position of three types of automation for different production volumes and product varieties are depicted. So you can see on a screen the types of automation as a function of volume of production versus product variety. So on x-axis you can see the production volume and y-axis you can see the product variety. For low production and low volume you can use manual methods. For medium volumes you can use the flexible automation. For high product variety and low volume you can go for programmable, and for high volume and low variety you can go for fixed automation, and flexible automation is suitable for medium variety and medium volume of product. Okay, so this is about different types of automation system. Okay, thank you.